Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we did bounce off some structure, but Labor Day holidays, so for once nothing happened on a US holiday. Doesn't often happen like that, which is why I always just have a look at the markets, because you never know what noise is coming in after hours. We do have bullish diversions on the oscillators, but we do have a bit of a crossover brewing here on the 8-hour. When we start drilling down through the time frames, you can see the bounce wasn't quite a bounce on the 3-hour. This was from Friday, so we didn't really get back to test it, but we did build a fairly strong inside bar here on the 8-hour. I suspect we're probably either looking for a double bottom, or we are looking for the next level lower down. And oh, sorry, there's a micro level here, nice juicy little pin bar right over there. So I'll give you those levels now. Let's just get to the hour, just double check there's nothing extra we need to worry about. Now there is one little level, and that is right over there. You can see we've got a tail onto it, and then we had the top of the range there Friday and yesterday, and then we broke up. So we are either trying to set a double bottom, and sorry, I need to put one more level in for that, because that would be the neckline of the double bottom. So in other words, come back down, reject 110,550 or 110,500. So just reject this area, which was the range it formed early yesterday, and then we're looking for a move up, but you only want to be trading long once we break above 110,769. Alternatively, what you're going to see is a break of this zone, a retest of it, and then we're heading down to 110,150, 110 dead is probably the most logical decision. It needs to be tested. So those are the only two opportunities that I see today. And if you just drill down to the 15 minutes, you'll see, yesterday we were below the moving averages, and as I said to you, you need to get back above this 110,769 or 770 area before you even started looking for longs. Didn't happen, we rejected, and now you can see after hours we are, I won't say continuing down, but we are forming a range. There are gaps, that gap closed. There are a couple other gaps which are closed now, and we're forming, there's a gap there, we're forming gaps on the way down. So normally when that happens, it's very unstructured. So I think for me, moral of the story is still the same. I'm not interested in looking for support down here. I want to see us break and retest the highs of yesterday, so that's 110,770. Then I'd be looking for opportunities to the upside. We're going to have to break this zone and retest it properly to the downside before I look at it, and I'm not so sure that I want to do that today. Could catch you out pretty quickly, and if you've got time, just put those levels in and then head left, and you'll see why I'm saying there's a lot of structure at those levels I've given you. You can do it on the 8-hour, you can do it on the, if you do it on the 8-hour, get to where the structure is. You can see what I mean here, look here. So this is a very strong area, this 110 is a very, very strong area. But when it's like that, often because you've broken through it, you get ambushed quite easily as well, which is why I'm a bit reluctant to chase shorts at the moment. Anyway, that's it for me today. I think I'll wait for a break and retest of yesterday's high before doing anything. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.